Season 3 of Sonic Prime has been a real big blast. And most of all, new fighters have entered the new Sonic universe. Everything about the new Shatterverse has changed. Remember that I showed you that there are more fighters, that there are more characters that are related to Chaos Sonic? Well, for starters, I'm gonna get to those soon. However, for right now, I'm drawing one of the ultimate machines that the Paradox Prism has created. Besides Chaos Sonic, you know our friend Nine. He's created robotic duplicates. Stealing the Chaos Council's idea, not a bad option. You're gonna love this. He created a machine based off of Big. And I'm talking way big. And I'm not talking about the one from Ben 10. Tonight we're gonna draw Grim Big. Grim Big is the final boss and one of the ultimate weapons Nine has created. Basically, this is one of the main characters that was shown in the Grim. One thing about Grim Big is that he shoots these missiles that look like Big's companion Froggy, which I'm probably calling them Grim Froggies. Well, Froggy doesn't. Well, that's just a name for his pet. So I'm just gonna call them Grim Frogs. Yeah, he launches them out of his. He launches them from the mark here. Let's just say he launches it like a missile. And it aims straight towards Sonic. Yeah, you saw that in the show. Anyway, this is how you draw Grim Big. You just draw this round space here. One thing about Grim Big, it doesn't have any arms or legs. Well, it does have legs. I'll get to that in a minute. Here we are. Another thing, these pads here, they look a lot like Big's arms. Anyway, now I'm going to tell you why he's able to able to oscillate. This fire that blasts out of his feet, that's how he's able to steer. This is how Grim is able to steer. It's like without using any feet. There we are. Let's see. Huh. Is that it? That's how you draw Grim big? Weird. I thought it'd take longer. Let's see. I've seen what it looks like taking on the biggest bot. Ah, here we go. Here's his tail. Oh, hey, Dad. Yeah, my dad just cooked some chili.
It's just about ready when you are.
Alright, and just a few minutes ago, I doused it in some hot sauce. Okay. Well, it was only a few minutes ago. Anyway. And done. There he is. That's how you draw Grim big. Didn't take that long. Not bad. Not bad. Anyway. Now that's taken care of, it's time for some satisfaction and chili. Oh yeah. Sonic Prime.